Hi guys, we are back with another flashlight video. Now Thrunite, I haven't really done anything with them for a while because, I kind of was trying to get out of flashlight videos until they showed me this one. Told me that I could just check this out and see if I thought that these were, just as good or better than what they have been sending me. I will tell you this, guys. I told Vinny, I said, Vinny, if you want me to do this, I'm going to have one of these for one of my subscribers. I haven't done a giveaway in a while. He was totally on board with it. This guy is amazing. I'm not getting paid to do literally any of this. This is just from my YouTube channel. And if I like these or not. So far, every light that I've tried from Thrunite has been top notch. Now, just so you guys are aware, I do rock and O light sometimes. A lot of the times it's Thrunite. I have nothing bad to say about either one of these. I love O-Light and I love Thrunite. This is always my go-to because I have so many of these, and quite frankly, I don't see much difference, if any, from the O-Light to this. So let's go ahead and start with this. Like I said, this is going to be a free giveaway, so you might want to watch. I'm going to make this so easy for you guys to win this that it's just going to be crazy. Now, I'm going to take this to my work and I'm going to shine, and we have a little courtyard. I'm going to shine a tree up with it so you guys will be able to tell what it looks like in the dark. Then we'll take it, down one of them gravel roads where I've tested previously. We'll take it down there and tonight we'll see what it looks like in the dark. Now, I'll show you both of them real quick. This is the one that I opened just to make sure it did work. This is the one that you guys will be winning. I'll put everything back together when it's all said and done. And this is the one that I will be keeping and testing. So this is what you got right here. It's very high quality looking, as you can tell. Very streamlined. I'm telling you, it is extremely super bright. I mean, you guys will see tonight, obviously. All right, and of course, I'll tell you what you get. You get a little foam, you get your little manual, charging cable, and of course the lanyard, which, you know how I feel about those. And then, of course, you get your little do not eat gel pack, which I do not recommend eating them. So let's go over the light specs. Now, I'm just going to read these to you straight off the instructions so you guys will see. All right, we're going to go from the output. It has 1920 lumens for 120 seconds. Then it drops to 590 for 160 minutes. That's on turbo. And on infinite high, 1100 lumens for 2 minutes, 600 for 200 minutes when it drops down. Then you have infinity low for 25 lumens for 60 hours. Firefly, 0.44 lumens for 61 days, and Strobe for 1,100 lumens for 3.9 hours. The distance it shines is 196 meters. The intensity is 9600 CD. Impact rating of 1.5, and it's IPX8. Now, as usual, it's got, you can lock these like normal. So when it's on this mode here, you just hold it for 2 seconds. Boom, and now it's locked. You can push the button many times as you like. It's not coming on, as you can see. To unlock it, you just hold it in. When the Firefly comes back on, you got all your modes again. So it's a really nice light. You can see in my hand how big it is. Probably wondering why I have a tape measure like this. Just keep wondering. All right, you have it right at 4 inches. As you can see, maybe. It's exactly right at 4 inches. So it's a perfect length. It's got the removable clip. And then, you got your battery in here. It's 18650. 3400 milliamps, which is a pretty good size battery. Enough about this. What you really want to do is watch the next part of this when I go outside, because that is, in my opinion, one of the best tests you can have. I mean, you can talk all day about a flashlight, but when you see it, well, that's when it becomes for real. Now, let's go outside tonight. I'll be back later on and we'll finish this video. So you guys can see, this will be some of the trees right here that we're going to be highlighting at this distance. I'm right at about 60 yards or so from it, so you can see what it looks like right now. And I'll stand the same exact spot and show you again this evening. All right, I also stand right here, which is right at about 50 yards, 40, 50 yards-ish. So you guys will be able to see this whole entire area lit up. It's going to be pretty amazing.
You're gonna be pretty impressed, I think. All right, well, you can see the trees a little bit. All right, here's low, as you saw it blink. I'm gonna ramp it up. And when it blinks, it's full bright. That's pretty daggone bright, guys. All right, let's move up. We'll leave it at full bright. You can see. I mean, it's pretty crazy. You can definitely light up and see everything you need to see. That's full bright. Let's ramp it down. When it blinks. All right. Still pretty bright. When you turn it off, you can see the difference. Ramp it up again. Pretty amazing. All right, and I'll show you here a Firefly. There you go. You can see it's kind of hard to see right here because it's kind of lit up, but you can see the dumpster and then you can really see all the numbers. So that's Firefly, and I'm about, I don't know, 5 yards maybe from it. So Firefly's pretty good. I mean, you can see with it and you can see without it. All right, we've made it to the lease. Now, I was going to go down to an old road where I used to do my videos at, but unfortunately, there's people down there, cops, and I don't want to have to try to tell them, hey, I'm doing a YouTube video, because it's just, anyway. So we're here on my lease. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the dark. I'm going to do the Firefly first. All right, there we go. That's as low as it can go. What I'll do is I'll show you the Firefly, and then I'll ramp up to each of them, and then I will show you what it looks like on me. So this is Firefly. All right, this is low. And it ramps up. And when it blinks twice, you're at the full brightness. Now let's show you the distance. As you can see, that's a pretty good daggum beam. All right, let me go ahead and put turbo on. Now, you can really see the brightness of this is crazy, right? I'll go ahead and ramp it down. You can see it going away until it blinks twice, and that is low. Now that is as low as it can go. So it's still pretty bright. I mean, I can see pretty good. So I'll go stand in front of the camera and show you what it looks like. All right, this is the Firefly. So you can see it's pretty bright. This is literally about 3 feet from my face, as you can see. And I'm gonna close my eyes and ramp this thing up. All right, this is low, and we'll ramp her on up. I'm gonna close my eyes because this sucker is super bright. All right, that's completely bright, 3 foot away. I'm sure it's pretty intense. And then we'll ramp back down. And when it blinks again, obviously you'll know it's at the lowest setting. So pretty bright. Now I did mention we will have a giveaway. Let me get out of the camera here. And all you have to do is listen to the, here's a strobe, by the way. All you have to do, guys, is listen to the rest of this video to the end, and you guys are pretty close to the end. You'll know what to do to win. So anyway, that's a pretty good light. Let me show you right up through here, through the woods here. Show you what it looks like. Let me show you up through there. I mean, if you got to look for something in the woods or whatever, it's gonna show. I mean, it's pretty daggum bright. Beautiful light, beautiful, beautiful light. Highly recommend this, guys. All right, let's get back home. We'll finish this video out, and you guys can make up your mind. Okay, just like that, we are back now. You saw the way that it shines. I'm telling you, the distance it shines. Now, one thing I did forget to tell you is this is a magnet. So, I mean, you can see if you have to put it on a piece of metal, you know, it'll shine. So you can see how it hangs perfectly like it would be on a metal stud or whatever. So, you know, you've got that option to stick on your car while you're working or whatever. You know, the only thing is you can't just rotate it for an angle. It's got to stay, you know, pretty much the way it is. But overall, it's a great light, guys. I'm going to leave links down below. Now, I did mention that one of these will be given away, if you remember, right? This one right here to be exact. Now, all I need you to do is to be the first person to email me and just say you want the light. That's all you got to do. The first email I get, I will send this to you, no questions asked. So, all you got to do is email me. My email is down in the description.
go ahead and write me an email. Now, that's all you gotta do. Now, if you do want to see a high quality flashlight that is made by Thrunite, that really, I mean, it shines and has the big swath of light, that it illuminates everything in its path very brightly. Check here to the side. There'll be a video coming up. You guys can click there, and I'll see you in that one. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. Don't forget to email me. God bless, guys. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a great day.